Senator Elizabeth Warren said that she completely disagreed with the appointment of Chair Powell, but now wants to protect him from President Trump. She wants to protect the Fed's independence. And I was very shocked by this. The Fed is not independent, has never been independent, should never be independent of Congress. And what she should be doing is getting Congress to take back control over the Fed, take it away from Trump, take it away from Powell. The Fed is a creature of Congress from the very beginning when it was founded, and she should take control.
It's funny because you would think as a lot of these folks are lawyers that have been through a lot of legal review and have probably heard about this stuff in their schooling and their work, and yet they act like they're rubes. It's weird how off they are, how just absolutely ignorant of the very system they control or have access to, etc. It's appallingly shocking, isn't it?